Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make moist red velvet cake without eggs. This red velvet cake is so moist and easy to make, and again it was made without eggs. Add half cup of powdered sugar, that's 60 grams, and half cup of condensed milk. Mix it well. Add quarter cup of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of vanilla, and mix well. So if you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you'd love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Add a teaspoon of vinegar, add 1 cup of flour, that's 125 grams. Add half tablespoon of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of baking soda. Add half cup of buttermilk. Mix it very well. Add a teaspoon of red color and mix well. Prepare a 6-inch pan. Pour the batter into the pan, then tap the pan to remove air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. If you liked the video and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.